Okay. Hello, I'm Bonnie, and I've posted a couple of videos. I did the wrong chapter, which, anyway. And so I also want to thank all of you. You've been so kind, and I've been kind of a flake, but I've just hit that point where I'm done. But I felt like I should try again, and so after a few days rest, I'm feeling better. So let's see what I can do. And I'm not saying this is the right way to do it, I'm just saying this is how I do it. Because there are 3 tries, I just try and put in something and see what I have right. So it says, the comparative balance sheets for Sheffield Corp as of December 31st are presented below. We have the balance sheet for 2017 and 2016, and I have started it. So I have the additional information is operating expenses include depreciation expense, $47,544. Land was sold for cash at book value. Cash dividends of $13,584 were paid. Net income of $13,584 were paid. Net income for 2017 was $41,884. Equipment was purchased for $104,144 cash. In addition, equipment costing $24,904 with a book value of $11,320 was sold for $9,056 cash. Number 6, 45,280 shares of $1 par value common stock was issued in exchange for land with a fair value of $45,280. Okay. It says prepare a statement of cash flows for the year ending December 31st, 2017 using the indirect method. Okay. So I had to use a little practice here on 12.4. But then of course I noticed this one was much longer than any of the others have been. Of course I haven't done 12.5 yet, so I don't know what that one looks like. Guess we could look. No, we don't want to leave right now. Yeah, we do. We're going to look really fast. Well, it's long too, but this one seems longer, maybe because I'm doing it in front of a camera. Okay, so I've been adding some things on. I don't know that they're in the right order or not. I do know that cash flows activities is always first, and usually net income. So I put that in and the net income. And then we have net cash provided by operating activities. And I'm not so sure if the cash should be on there or not. So I just started putting things in. Decrease in accounts receivable. And as I looked at the decrease in accounts receivable, so between 2017 and 2016, 2017 was a decrease. So we subtract 56,600 from 65,656, and we come up with a balance of 9,056. And then we do the same thing, increase in inventory. So that was an increase from 160,744 to 171,441. So our amount is 10,697. And then we had a decrease in prepaid expense. Sale of land. Now there's a little special note here that land was sold at book value. And I don't know what the book value is, so I subtracted the 147,160 from the 140. And I just have to put some things in the boxes just to see where I stand. Now I'm kind of at a little standpoint. I'm not sure what to do with the depreciation expense. I don't know whether I need to add the building and the equipment together after I've subtracted them, and I had just done that. I've got the difference between 2017 and 2016 for buildings is $22,640, and the equipment, the difference between the equipment from 2017 and 2016 is $11,320. And we only have really one little spot for depreciation. So my guess is I would need to add them together. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take the 11,320 plus 22640. And that's what I'm going to put in here. 23960. Now I just want to remind you, I'm not sure if I'm doing this right. And I'm just starting, so you'll just have to take it for what it is. Okay, so I have something else I need to put here. Not sure what it is yet. Let's look up here. It may be cash, and it may have something to do with the cash. Because it talks about cash dividends. And if I look in my book I use the hard copy book more often than I use the online. And part of the reason is that I don't like to sit at my computer all day. And I have to study, and sometimes I can work and I can take my homework with me and read. So, okay. So on page 604, it says the operating activities are cash inflows, sale of goods or services. So I guess we could look for that. So, equipment was purchased. Okay, I definitely know that that doesn't go there. Okay, and par value, common stock, that goes down on financing. I wish, like in the videos, that I could highlight it and put a little marker by it and say, oh, this goes here, but I can't do that. And anyway, land was sold, I've got that. Cash dividends. I'm looking at my book. Let's see. Okay, so cash inflows, interest received, and dividends received are considered operational activities. So let's see. Cash dividends. But then we also have financing activities that are stockholders as dividends. So we'd have to decide where that one goes. Cash dividends of $13,584 were paid. So if we're paying them, do you think that would be an operational, an investing? Okay, I'm still here. I'm just looking at the book. Or a financing. So cash outflows to stockholders as dividends, but we are paying them, so maybe it could be financing. So I'm going to skip that one for now. Let's see. I need something else there, and I'm not sure what it would be. Accounts receivable. I'm going to look back at my notes. Some of the ones that I have done. I've started writing them down. Cash flow, decrease in accounts receivable. Receivable, accounts payable. Do I have all that? Receivables. Oh, let's look at accounts payable. Accounts payable. Let's try that one. Doesn't hurt to try. So let's look at accounts payable. And we had, in 2017, we had an increase. So I'm going to do accounts payable increase. Increase in accounts payable. And let's see, where's my calculator? Accounts payable. Okay. We have 5634 minus 40,752, 9,882. Okay. So I don't know. Some of those probably should be negatives or positives. I'm not sure. So I'm going to just add them all together at this point. Okay, so I came up with a grand total of 87,050. Okay. One of the great things about the homework that I have noticed is it is repetitive, which does help me pick up things. Okay, so the next thing I would say we do cash flows from investing activities. But they want an amount. So because we haven't done anything like that before, I'm not so sure what that would be. At least I haven't done anything like that yet before because I haven't done 12.5. And I think, oh, there we go, trying to move to another thing again. Let's save it. Let's see what I did on 12.4. 12.4 was only operating activities, so, and I messed those up right there. However, what I did on this one was I put all of these in first, and then I struggled with the numbers, and that wasn't when I went back to the book and found that I needed to subtract the difference between them. So these ones probably needed to be negatives, but I had run out of chances by that time. Okay, so back to, let's see there. So this is the first one where we've had others on it. Sorry, this is getting to be a long video, and I'm not even finished yet. So what I'm going to do is stop it here and see if I can figure out some of this stuff, and then I'll try and be back. So back to it, and I probably shouldn't have started so soon. But, so I'm looking here, and it says cash, equipment was purchased for $104,144 cash. In addition, equipment costing $24,904 with a book value of $11,320 was sold for $9,056 cash. So I'm thinking that's got to be in here or something. I'm not even sure what that. Oh, wait a second. Okay, so I'm not sure, but I think that this one is supposed to be a negative. As you're watching the video. And I know it says it in the book, and I just need to review it. So, I don't know. Oh, okay. So I'm going to have to re-add that. 90, and I'm just doing it on my phone. 697 plus 6475 plus 16980 plus 33960, and then minus the 982, and that gives me 67,086. I'm going to add that to 41884. It's going to give me 109,170. Okay, so cash flows from And then we need net cash provided